Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. My name is Julia, and I'm really happy to have you here today. I hope you are doing well and feeling positive. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic: how to be consistent in life. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever started something with a lot of energy, but after a few days, you stopped? Maybe you wanted to learn English, exercise every day, or build a good habit, but it didn't last. If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people face this problem. The truth is, success does not come from doing something one time. It comes from doing small things, again and again. This is called consistency. Consistency is the key to improving your life. It helps you grow, learn faster, and become stronger step by step. Especially if you are learning English, being consistent can make a big difference. In this episode, I will help you understand what consistency really means, why it is important, and how you can build it in your daily life in a simple way. So stay with me, listen carefully, and let's learn how to become more consistent together. Now let's understand a very simple but important question. What does consistency really mean? Consistency means doing something again and again regularly without stopping. It means you keep going, even when you don't feel excited or motivated. Let me explain it in a very simple way. If you study English for 10 minutes every day, that is consistency. If you exercise a little every day, that is consistency. If you practice speaking English daily, even if it is not perfect, that is consistency. Consistency is not about doing something big one time. It is about doing small actions every day. Now, many people think they need motivation to start. Yes, motivation is helpful, but motivation does not stay forever. Some days you feel excited, and some days you don't. This is where consistency becomes very important. Consistency means you take action even when you don't feel like it. You do your work even on lazy days. You continue even when it feels difficult. For example, imagine two people learning English. One person studies for 2 hours one day and then stops for a week. Another person studies for 15 minutes every day. Who will improve faster? Of course, the second person, because they are consistent. So remember this simple idea. Consistency is not about being perfect. Consistency is about not giving up. When you understand this, you take your first step toward success. Now let's talk about why consistency is so important in life. Consistency is important because it helps you grow slowly but surely. You may not see big results in one day, but over time, your small efforts become something big. Think about this. If you improve just a little every day, after 1 week, you become better. After 1 month, you become much better. And after a few months, you can see a big change. This is the power of consistency. Another reason consistency is important is that it builds confidence. When you do something every day, you start to believe in yourself. You feel proud because you are not giving up. Consistency also helps you learn faster, especially in English learning. If you practice English every day, listening, speaking, reading, or writing, you train your brain. Your mind becomes more comfortable with the language. But if you practice only sometimes, your brain forgets, and learning becomes slow. Consistency also makes things easier. At the beginning, it feels hard. But when you repeat something daily, it becomes a habit. And when something becomes a habit, You don't need to think too much. You just do it. So remember this: big success does not come from big actions. It comes from small actions done every day. If you stay consistent, even with small steps, you will reach your goals. Now, let's understand a very important part: why many people are not consistent. Sometimes we know what to do, but we still don't do it regularly. There are some common reasons for this, and if you understand them, you can avoid them. The first reason is lack of motivation. Many people start something when they feel excited, but after a few days, that excitement goes away. When motivation is low, they stop working. The problem is, they depend only on motivation, not discipline. The second reason is setting big or unrealistic goals. For example, someone decides to study English for 3 hours every day. This sounds good, but it is very hard to continue. After a few days, they feel tired and give up. Big goals can feel stressful. The third reason is fear of failure. Some people think, "What if I fail?" Or, "What if I make mistakes?" Because of this fear, they stop trying. But the truth is, mistakes are part of learning. Another reason is laziness and distractions. Things like mobile phones, social media, and watching too many videos can waste a lot of time. Instead of working on their goals, people choose easy and comfortable activities. Also, many people do not have a clear plan. They say, "I want to improve my English," but they don't know how or when to practice. Without a plan, it is easy to feel confused and stop. So these are some common reasons: lack of motivation, big goals, fear of failure, distractions, and no clear plan. If you can understand these problems, you can start to fix them. And that is the first step to becoming more consistent. Now let's talk about the most important part: how you can become consistent in your life, step by step. Don't worry, these steps are simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Start small. This is very important. Many people fail because they start too big. Instead of studying English for 2 hours, start with just 10 or 15 minutes a day. It may feel very small, but small steps are powerful. When something is easy, you can do it every day. And that is the goal: daily action. Step 2. Set clear and simple goals. You need to know what you want to do. Don't say, "I want to improve my English." That is too general. Instead, say, "I will learn 5 new words every day." "I will listen to an English podcast for 10 minutes. Clear goals make your mind focused and your actions simple. Step 3. Create a simple routine. Try to do your task at the same time every day. For example, you can practice English in the morning after breakfast or at night before sleep. When you follow a routine, your brain gets used to it. It becomes a habit, and you don't need to think too much. Step 4. Stay disciplined, even when you don't feel like it. There will be days when you feel lazy or tired. This is normal, but remember, consistency is not about feeling good. It is about taking action even when you don't feel like it. On difficult days, do a small version of your task. For example, if you can't study for 15 minutes, study for 5 minutes, but don't stop completely. Step 5. Track your progress. This means you should check what you are doing every day. You can use a notebook or your phone. Write down what you did. Today, I learned 5 new words. Today, I listened to English for 10 minutes. When you see your progress, you feel happy and motivated. It also helps you stay responsible. So remember these 5 simple steps. Start small, set clear goals, create a routine, stay disciplined, and track your progress. If you follow these steps, you will slowly build consistency in your life, and your results will improve day by day. Now let's talk about some simple daily habits that can help you build consistency in your life. These habits are easy but very powerful if you do them every day. First, practice English daily. Even if it is just 10 to 15 minutes, make it a daily habit. You can listen to a podcast, read a short text, or speak a few sentences. The key is to do it every day, not sometimes. Second, try to wake up at the same time every day. This helps you create a routine. When your day starts in a regular way, it becomes easier to stay consistent with other tasks. Third, learn something new every day. It does not have to be something big. You can learn a new word, a small idea, or a simple skill. Daily learning keeps your mind active and growing. Fourth, avoid wasting too much time. Be careful with your time, especially with mobile phones and social media. These can take a lot of your time without giving real value. Try to use your time in a smart way. Another important habit is to plan your day. Before you start your day, think about what you want to do. Even a simple plan can help you stay focused and organized. So remember, small daily habits create big results. If you repeat these habits every day, consistency will become a natural part of your life. Now let's talk about something very real: how to stay consistent when you feel lazy or tired. We all have days like this. Some days you feel low energy and you don't want to do anything. This is normal. But what you do on these days is very important. First, don't try to do too much. When you feel tired, reduce your task. Make it very small and easy. For example, if your goal is to study English for 15 minutes, you can do just 5 minutes. If you don't feel like speaking, just listen to something simple. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to not stop. Second, remind yourself of your goal. Ask yourself, why did I start this? Maybe you want to speak English confidently, get a better job, or improve your life. When you remember your reason, you feel more motivated to continue. Third, take short breaks when needed. Rest is important. If your body or mind is tired, take a small break, but don't quit for the whole day. Another helpful tip is to just start. Tell yourself, I will do this for only 2 minutes. Most of the time, once you start, it becomes easier to continue. So remember this simple rule: on your best days, do your best. On your worst days, do something small, but never stop. This is how you build real consistency. Now let's look at some common mistakes that you should avoid if you want to be consistent. The first mistake is waiting for motivation. Many people say, I will start when I feel motivated. But motivation does not come every day. If you wait for motivation, you will not take action. Instead, focus on discipline and daily habits. The second mistake is trying to be perfect. Some people think they must do everything perfectly. If they make a small mistake, they feel bad and stop. But remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. The third mistake is giving up after one bad day. Maybe you miss one day of practice and then you think, I failed, and you stop completely. This is a big mistake. Missing one day is okay. Just come back the next day and continue. Another mistake is comparing yourself with others. You may see someone who is better than you and feel discouraged, but everyone has a different journey. Focus on your own progress, not on others. Finally, many people do too much at the beginning. They start with big energy and big plans, but after a few days they feel tired and stop. It is better to start small and stay consistent, so avoid these mistakes. Don't wait for motivation. Don't try to be perfect. Don't give up after one bad day. Don't compare yourself with others. And don't start too big. If you avoid these, it will be much easier to stay consistent in your life. Now, before we move to the end, I want to give you some simple motivation and encouragement. Remember, success does not happen in one day. It takes time, patience, and small daily efforts. So don't feel sad if you don't see results quickly. You are improving, even if you cannot see it right now. Be kind to yourself. Some days will be easy and some days will be hard. That is part of the journey. What matters is that you keep going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Even if you take very small steps, you are still moving forward. And that is something to be proud of. Believe in yourself. You have the ability to learn, to grow, and to change your life. So stay patient, stay focused, and keep showing up every day. Your future will thank you for it. Now let's quickly summarize what we learned today, and I will give you some final advice. Consistency means doing small actions every day, again and again, even when you don't feel like it. It is more important than motivation or perfection. We talked about why consistency is important. It helps you grow, build confidence, and reach your goals slowly but surely. We also learned why many people are not consistent. Lack of motivation, big goals, fear of failure, distractions, and no clear plan. Then I shared simple steps to become consistent. Start small, set clear goals, create a routine, stay disciplined, and track your progress. We also learned daily habits to stay consistent and how to continue even on lazy or tired days. Finally, remember the mistakes to avoid: waiting for motivation, trying to be perfect, giving up after one bad day, comparing yourself with others, and starting too big. Final advice: start today, take small steps, and never give up. Consistency is the key to success, and with patience, you can achieve anything you want. Remember, small steps every day lead to big results. Keep going, and you will see amazing changes in your life. Before we finish today's episode, I want to give you a simple call to action. Start today. Pick one small habit and do it consistently. It can be learning 5 new English words, practicing speaking for 10 minutes, or following a small daily routine. Write down your goal and check your progress every day. Even small steps matter. They will grow into big results over time. If you found this episode helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss future episodes. And remember, consistency is not about being perfect. It's about showing up every day and never giving up. You can do it. Thank you for listening, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Keep going, stay consistent, and take care.